this is Tim from Your6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your JBL earbuds to your Google Pixel. This is very easy. Let's swipe down from the top right. And we could find Bluetooth right here, otherwise go to Settings. Go to Network and Internet. And then we should be able to find Bluetooth. Actually, I went to the wrong spot. We want to go to Connected Devices. Pair a new device. Now we can just simply open this up. And if our JBL headset is charged, once we remove these, it should put them into the Bluetooth pairing mode. So you can see the light is blinking right here, and the device should show up on this list. So this is JBL Vibe Beam. Now if it doesn't show up, there might be an option right here to like scan or something like that. So here it is, JBL Vibe Beam. We can select this, go to pair. Also allow access to contacts and calls. Okay, let's go to pair. And it might have you download the JBL app. So that might pop up on you depending on your version of Android. And you should be good to go. Now you can tap this to unpair it. You can see the battery life in here actually. That's pretty nice. Here's the companion app right here. If we go to it, we can install it for sign into the Google Play Store. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.